Construction Experts, Team B&B.
Before we get into today's episode, quick note, it's a milestone, episode 10.
And we have not been canceled yet.
Not yet. Last time we spoke, we talked about general liability limits and what that means.
Also, that these limits are being requested in contracts by project owners or GCs.
And to reiterate, typically the limits being asked are going to be $1 million, $2 million.
Yeah, and in addition to that, you'll frequently see umbrella coverage listed as necessary per contract. Most times those umbrella limits range from 1 to 5 million, but up to 20 or 50 million in some really extreme cases.
You will also be asked, in most cases, to carry a commercial auto liability policy as well as a workers' compensation policy.
And there are some other lines of coverage asked for on occasion, certainly not as much, but those would be professional liability and contractors' pollution liability. Not having any of these requested lines or high enough limits could jeopardize being awarded the contract.
Now, some of these limits may seem high or even a bit outrageous, but they're necessary, and it's due to New York State labor law. And we have seen some claims really spiral out of control thanks to this leading factor for the rates and limits being so high.
Yeah, and we'll touch on that next time. Labor law is obviously a really important issue, but I want to talk about some other wording that you see most times in the contract as well.
Such as additional insured wording and 30-day cancellation notification wording.
Yeah, and as you know, blanket waiver of subrogation and primary non-contributory wording are almost always requested too.
One advantage our team does have is a contractual risk transfer expert. He certainly is something that does differentiate us, and he is an expert when it comes to this topic.
Absolutely, they're the best, and not having these in place and having to put them there to bid a job can be huge changes in cost, so it's something that you really need to pay attention to. And if you want to talk about this in more detail, you know where to find us.
And it's important to review these contracts annually. So with that, as always, if you have any questions, please reach out. We're here to help.
And so I'm Brett.
And I'm Bill.
From OneGroup Construction Experts, Team B&B.